Another good trick when you're working on something like that. And it's winter time. It's always a good thing to charge your battery nice and full, so the alternator gets a little break. It's a new one, this car, but still it's better for the battery to give it a full charge. Negative is in the back, connected to this cable to the body, so here is perfect. Wiggle it so it has a good connection to make some metal clear, shiny, and then plug in the wall plug. Make sure it's at the right setting. 12 volts, fast charging, and I charged already a bit, so it's starting at 1.65 amps. So it's good, but when it's full, it's better. You never know what's going to happen. Blizzard, snowstorm, you're stuck. I don't have the Rona, it's just I'm allergic to bullshit. I smell bullshit coming. Neighbor is probably coming. Damn it. So, we have this. Yes. So it's a Torx 50. Nice long Torx, always does the trick. Bigger is better. That's what she said. It's a bit rusty. I'll try to show you with the mirror. I don't know if you can see that, but there's the ABS connector, and if you can see it, I don't know. There's my socket in the Torx screws. They're a little bit rusty, but they're fine. I'll tap them in. Make sure they're fully seated before you turn something. Fully seated, and then with a nice, good wrench, turn them. Oh. All right, it goes in. It goes in. Yep. It's Torx 55, that doesn't fit, so it's Torx 50. Simple trick to know. Let's heat it up. And yes. Alright. Alrighty then. This is my little torch. It's one can of air, compressed air, one can of gas. Open up the gas here, then open up the gas here. Make sure it's clean. Yeah, don't really put your flame in of your lighter. It's a bit dirty. Look up. You have to make sure it's too rich. This is a rich flame. It's a small torch, so I can get it higher. So, and when you have a rich flame, just add some air to get the little cone. Now you have the 3 cones. You see? Now we should have a close to perfect mix. We should be able to make it red. Oh, it's this one, sorry. Normally you should use goggles. But yeah. See? Immediately it starts to glow. And I can't see a thing, so I hope the camera catches it. Oh fuck. It's really shiny. And normally we should heat up one side of the bolt so the rust can expand. The bowl expands on one side and the rust breaks on the other side. If you heat everything round and round, it has no real use. It doesn't matter. The metal expands here, it breaks, and I should be able to turn it. Just make sure it's hot, and now it's hot. I also always blow at the flame so it doesn't crawl into the torch. Ow, oh shit. My wrench. We'll try this one, and if it doesn't work, we'll have the other option. The big brother. But I think it will work. Yeah, right. Coop easy. Sometimes I talk in Dutch, so never mind. Up, 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 that's the middle of that, that's the middle of that. Ah! Damn it! Ah. So you see, that's what heat will do for you. But I jam my thumb against this piece and it's probably a bit bleeding inside, but whatever. We'll have another one. Damn it. Ah, damn it. Just at the good side. Ah. Look, it just turns by hand now. I'll see what's... You could forget it. It's very simple. You could just forget it. Just pay attention when you touch it because it's hot. Yeah.